Yeah,
Okay.
another. Yeah, open the rest. Come on, look. Open.
She likes Elmo.
Daddy's gonna open it for you. Yeah, that's for you.
She said that's too tiny.
Put it on the side, Elmo, next to you, please.
Oh, sure.
It's you with the fingers. The one finger sticks up.
Oh, yeah, right?
Keep it in there. Okay. Get into the hang of it.
Yeah, very fast.
Pull it out. Pull it.
Who's that?
Who's
Who? Who's that?
Turn it around.
Show me. Show me. Let me
Show
see.
Daddy.
Let me see. Oh, Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues. Very good, my love. A paw print. Very nice. Open the other one. Open the other one.
One more.
You know, it's getting bigger and bigger.
That one's from
She said, I hope it ain't another. She'd probably say, I hope it's not another Elmo.
Yeah,
Thank you, Haley. Love, Grandma.
Open. But he's gonna make noise. Open. Uh-oh.
Turn around. Wait, well, 1 second.
Yeah, pull it here. Pull it here. Here, Mommy. Pull it here. There you go.
Wow, that's very nice.
Now you're getting
Yeah,
tough.
There we go.
That's that, Haley. Little people.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's a little house.
Wow.
She wanted to open it.
Okay, Daddy's gonna open it for you.
Ah, that's very nice, my love. Beautiful. Wow, how many gifts, baby.
Okay, Daddy's gonna open it for you.
Mwah.